GoDaddy hosting. GoDaddy hosting is a website hosting establishment that provides quite a lot of services, analogs to sphere enrollment, website structure tools, and online advertising. It's precisely the most standard hosting provider available on the coast. They give all kinds of plans, together with participated hosting, VPS hosting, and devoted writers. Also, they give quite a lot of options, equity of measureless storehouse and bandwidth, a free sphere title, and redundant. Along with their hosting service, GoDaddy also provides SSL instruments, which are demanded for e-commerce website. They have got a clean support book that's accessible 24/7 to help with any points you might encounter. When you are hunt of a reliable, nicely priced web hosting company, GoDaddy is an effective possibility. GoDaddy provides fully different features of internet hosting companies like web hosting is the time period of participated hosting on a GoDaddy, the place your partners with different website house procedures. It's low cost but not effective, since your website can go down anytime if one website makes use of all the means. Business hosting is the hosting BPS is the place you be stable to manage all of the writers. Means still, you do not want to take care of it, styling and doctoring it. Reseller hosting is for individuals who wish to promote GoDaddy's web hosting to others still with white market service. That means marketing user of it has their bread. You buy it in block to get a gent low cost and unproofed. By the way in which you too can host WordPress on internet hosting. Nevertheless, it comes up with further advantages like automate WordPress core software program and safety updates. The most recent PHP 7.1 click migration installment. WordPress e-commerce hosting is used to run an internet retailer on WordPress. It makes it fully different to supply free WooCommerce extensions valued at lesser than $3,000. VPS hosting is supposed for builders who like to have full operation over the gray zone to handle their websites. Devoted writers are the most expensive kind of web hosting because your particular algorithm and the effectiveness is one of the stylish amongst all. Irrespective of the type of web hosting you use, you need to use the minimum styles to put in WordPress assembly.